Hey guys, welcome back. This is my 4-month update on my second FUE surgery. So let's get right to it. First off, thank you for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate it. I just hit 1,000 subscribers, so that's like awesome. And if you're new to my channel, I am basically in this video, I'm going to discuss the results of my second FUE. I had an FUE, my first one, a year ago in August, and I was really happy with my results, but I still wanted increased density. So I went and had a second FUE in August of this year. And I'm now 4 months post second FUE, and I'm going to discuss the results of that. So actually, before we get to the actual results, this video is going to be a little bit different. I want to actually make some things really clear to you guys, in case they're not, because in my mind they are, but people watch me and then they see what they want to see. So first of all, I just want to make clear that I am not a paid actor by HMR. I don't get a cut if you go to HMR. HMR doesn't send me a cut for you going. Like, I don't benefit financially for anyone else going to HMR. I'm just making these videos, these series of videos and these monthly updates, basically for me and just to show that, you know, you can get good work outside the United States. You know, I was scared to even think of going to Mexico. And if I hadn't seen Fred Reilly's videos, I don't know if I would have even gone ahead with it. But I did, and I'm happy I did. And I'm only discussing in these videos my results. You know, this is my hair journey. And I just want to make that clear because I think I get a lot of DMs, which I don't reply to because I get way too many. And some of you seem to think that like I'm paid by HMR or I'm an employee of theirs and that I need to reply to you like right away or at all. I'm not an on-demand human. I'm not a human Netflix. I can't do more than this. It's like I would be constantly like this all day replying to your questions and stuff. And basically you guys want me to be an emotional support human. I can't do that. You have so many questions and I am, you know, I'm a human being. I have to like take care of myself. So I can't do it. But just know there's a lot of info on all these videos and there's other YouTubers. There's El Tío Juan Carlos. He also went to HMR. And of course, you know, Fred Reilly. And there's even some guy that went from Australia. He's also making videos. Just search for him. So anyway, I just wanted to make that clear that I am not, you know, paid to do this. I do this out of my own like desire to help, okay? Anyways, now let's start the video. All right. So this morning I woke up and I decided not to put any product or, you know, or anything fake in my hair. You know, I did shower and shampoo, but that's it. Other than that, I just, you know, styled my hair with my hands. So literally, I woke up like this, okay? So as you can see, it looks really good. I mean, I'm under 2 bright lights right now, and it looks really nice. In fact, I'm going to show you how it looks out in the real world in 1 second. I'll just show you that now. Let's just do it. All right, so I'm on my balcony, and this is how it looks in real light. Looks pretty dense, just like it does inside. So I just wanted to show you how it looks in daylight, all right? I'm going back to the studio. All right, so now let's zoom in on these little grafts. Zooming in, commencing. All right. So, wow, it really does look dense. Like, I think, look at that. You know, some of you have been asking if my hairline consists mostly of single grafts or double grafts. Most of them are single grafts. I'm sure there are some double grafts there, but the majority are single grafts. But the thing is, if you go and have an FUE, you know, everyone is different. Who knows how many single grafts they can extract from your head, you know? I'm sure HMR will try to use as many as they can, but they gotta use with what they have, what they can extrapolate from your head. So I'm sure if they had more single grafts from my donor area, they could have put more. But they got to use what they have, right? And it'll be the same with you. Your results will vary, is what I'm trying to say. I know this sounds crazy, but I actually thought that I hadn't really seen any real significant growth from the second FUE until yesterday, when I found a photo of my hair 1 week before the second surgery, and then I took a photo yesterday and put them side by side, and I could see that there is a difference. So even though, because when you look at your hair every day, you can't really tell a difference, but then when you look at a photo from a few months ago, you can totally see one. So I'm going to put that photo up right now so you guys can see what I'm talking about, because I did a little side by side. It's pretty cool to look at. But that just goes to show you that even guys that have good results get really impatient. Like even me, like I was like, well, am I seeing any results? So if you plan on getting FUE surgery, just know it's a waiting game, and you gotta be patient. And you guys might think you're patient, but it really is a patience game. I mean, it's gonna be 9 months from the day of your surgery until you're probably seeing like the results. And that's a long time, and especially if you do what I did. It's like just when the hair comes in, then you get another FUE. So it's like basically, for me, this has been almost a 2-year process. But is it worth it? Hell to the yes. All right, so now I'm going to show how it looks from the side. So there you can see, it looks pretty good. And then this is how it looks on the back. And finally, the other side. So it doesn't really look like I had anything done. Really good job. If you guys have any questions, just write them down in the comments and I'll get back to them. And this is still the time that I can still reply to comments, because I just hit 1,000 subscribers. Once I hit 10,000, 100,000, a million, you can forget about it. I won't be able to reply to any comments. So get in now on the ground floor. All right, so that's it for this video. I won't be posting my next update until the year 2020. That's in the next decade, y'all. Anyways, I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Chanukah. Yes, I said Chanukah, it has a C. And Merry Kwanzaa and Feliz Navidad and all. Oh yeah, and I want to say Happy Boxing Day to the British lads. That means you, Daniel Power. Anyways, my name's Moises Amaya, and I'm out.